Today I want to show you how my makeup has changed from then to now. This look is my glam going out look. I'm going to flashback to my old video of me doing my makeup like Toni Braxton. I couldn't believe I found this video, and I want you guys to see it. You should try it as well. It does work. If you are a beginner, put everything on at once and blend. You'll see the technique in the flashback. Now, if you're not a beginner or you feel like you know how to do your makeup, this video may not be for you. But you can always learn from any video. I'm still learning, and techniques do change. Things don't stay the same. So enjoy.
I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind.
These are some ladies that I used to watch as well. They do makeup very, very nice, and I just took little pointers from here and there, and that's how I learned how to do my makeup. All you have to do is watch, take what you want and use it, and practice, and you will get it. I didn't think I would get it, but I've gotten it. So enjoy my Toni Braxton look then, and at the end, you will be seeing how I am now. Succeed. Well, hello, my pretties. How y'all doing today? Today we will be doing, I'm inspired by Toni Braxton. Beautiful lady. I was inspired by how she did her makeup in a tutorial. And it was quick, fast, and I'm going to feel like I have the Toni Braxton look. So with a little bit of twist of my style, it won't be exactly like hers, because you can never just duplicate exactly like somebody else, because you don't look like that person. So let's get started with this makeup tutorial. Okay, first I'm just going to moisturize with my Clinique.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drug. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up. When you come excited, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we new love. Can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly.
When I first started doing my lashes, I used magnetic lashes. I have came a long way now.
When you come excited, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascent.
sponge, and I wet the sponge a little bit. So do you see everywhere I put my concealer? Because I was looking in my mirror, so I want to make sure I put it here, I put it here, up here, across here, my chin, and I think right here. Like I said, I doing some things that I feel like I want to do for myself. So I wet my sponge a little bit with some water, and then I go to blending. Blend it all in as one. And it looks like a mess from the beginning, but it worked out good for her. So let's see if it works out good for me. And I did not try this before. I said I wasn't going to do it until I get on camera, because I just want to see if I can like develop the skill and just zoop, 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 and not just do one step at a time. Doing pretty good. Gotta come down here a little bit. Comment down below how you guys think is coming out so far. So far to me, it looks pretty good. I like. Let me put a little pencil underneath my eye. So I did my eyes. So she had did herself a little blush, and she did it like, she did like a lighter color where it looked light, and then she did it with some powder. Let me see. This right here first. And she dipped that in there, right? Then she got some powder, and that takes out that bright color. And she used it as a blush. Let's do it again. Dab it in. And it's not too bright, it's not too dark. All right, I like. Okay. So, let's give ourselves just a little highlight. Now, this is just going a little step in my direction, because you don't really have to do this. I mean, just put a little. Let's set it off with some lipstick, y'all. I don't do with a lot of colors on my lips, just something natural. And there you have it. This is my Toni Braxton inspired quick makeup. I'm ready to go. So just imagine if you did this. I'm doing it filming. So just forget that little bump right there. That should go away soon. But just imagine if you were just doing this without, like, for yourself, not filming like I am. It would be quick and easy. So I hope you guys like my Toni Braxton quick makeup routine, and I think this is something I'm going to be doing all the time, because everything blended in nicely together. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in once again. Until the next video, thank you guys. And if you came this far in the video, thank you so much for watching the whole video. I really appreciate it, and it helps my channel. So to the next video, peace.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door. Found a silver lining. I'm glad you're doing so well. If only you could see how I've been. I'm being real, no it ain't been the same. We could talk if we want. I already know it's no good for me. It's alright, they can find with the silence. There's so good in goodbyes. We say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run for